There are two things coming up, a Black Friday and recession, and they are connected. The more money you save or the less money you spend during Black Friday will decide how good you'll be able to survive the recession. Don't get me wrong, deals are good, discounts are good, but only if you prepare and spend consciously. So in this video, I'll give you some tips to spend less and still get what you want for this Black Friday. For those who are new here, my name is Srijit, and in this channel, we talk all about wealth and happiness. American consumers spent around $9 billion during the last Black Friday. Like, who doesn't want to buy on discounts? Where can it go wrong? To answer that, we need to know a little bit about human psychology. We are highly rational. We often make decisions that are not in our best interest. This is why we tell ourselves we will exercise more, buy all the fitness gear, get an expensive gym membership, and then forget all about it in 1 month. The same decision-making brain is at work when we sit in front of a computer looking for deals. Because a deal on a product is not a deal if it is something that you don't need. We get easily carried away by the bargain prices and then end up buying something that we don't need. And the universal truth is, most things that we buy are just nice to haves. A few that we want and a very few that we really need. And the problem with discounts and offers is that they convert all these wants and nice to haves into needs. So before you sit down to grab that deal, it would be a good idea to ask yourself some questions. Like, do I really need this? How many times I'm going to use it? Or do a Marie Kondo and ask yourself, does it spark joy?
These pens bring me a lot of joy. So do I just keep them? Do I get more of them? What do I do?
Once you have the answers, then make a list of things that you really need to buy. Once you have put together a list, then the next thing to do is to set a budget. That too, a realistic one. Calculate the absolute maximum amount that you can afford and then stick to it. I know, some deals would be too hard to resist, but this amount should be like the red line that you shall never cross. People get swept away in the excitement and make impulse purchases all the time. And the companies know this very well, and they are counting on you to mess it up. They don't make money by selling you things that you wanted to buy, but from those that you weren't intending to buy. It's you against them, so hold your fort. After you have set your budget, then research and shortlist brands and models. Don't buy from an unknown brand just because the washing machine is at 80% discount. If it stopped washing after a month, then you just made 100% loss. So it's always a good idea to put quality over quantity. The next thing is to note down the average price and the cheapest price the product was ever sold for, so that you get a clear picture on how much savings you are getting. 85% of the products in the previous Black Friday sale had already been available on the same price or less 6 months before. You can use many websites to check this. For example, Camel provides a price history for all the Amazon products. I use an app called Idealo. Just because it's a Black Friday price doesn't mean that that's the best deal that ever happened for that product. Now would also be an excellent time to sign up for membership programs such as the Amazon Prime. You'll be able to get your hands on some early deals. And if it's a real killer deal, it will fill up even before it becomes public to the non-Prime members. You can easily get back the membership cost with one discounted product. Whatever I mentioned until now has to be done even before the deals come, before the madness starts. This is a preparation phase. And now I'll share you some tips on how you can save even more on the D-Day. When we see a 30 to 40% discount on the products that we want to buy, most of us will start entering the credit card details, but we can save even more with a few extra clicks. Just Google the brand or the dealer website and you can find other coupon codes. Most companies give you a discount just to sign up for the newsletter. You can use a service like Temmail to create a disposable email and then sign up for the newsletter. Now you will have the Black Friday price plus the discounts you get from the coupon codes. Along with coupons, another thing that can save you some money is a cashback offer. There are many websites and apps like Shoop that help you get a percentage of what you spend paid back to you. Some will pay you in cash, others in discounts or rewards. And finally, if you have the means to do so, follow conscious consumerism. There is a whole lot process that take place to get a product from the raw material stage to the shopping cart. Make it a practice to buy from companies that care about the social, economic and environmental impact. That means avoiding a company that compromises the well-being of its workers, animals or the environment for its financial profits. Now let me know in the comments what you have planned to buy this shopping season. If you got some value from this video, then give it a like and think about subscribing to the channel. Until I see you with another video, have a wonderful rest of the day and bye.